Hi, I'm Priyanka. If you're looking for an air fryer as well as an oven, then look no further. The Agaro Royal Air Fryer has you covered with its 25 preset menu. Let's take a look at it. The Agaro Royal Air Fryer has a capacity of 14.5 liters and it's a 1700 watts air fryer. It comes with a digital display and a knob on one side. As soon as you power on this air fryer, you get to see this message. Tap the power button to activate the screen. This air fryer comes with 25 preset menu options which you can view by turning the knob. As you go on and turn the knob, you will be able to switch between these menu options and the respective time, temperature and other settings will display on the screen. After selecting an option, press the knob to start the air fryer. You can press the knob once again to pause the air fryer. The color changes and that's how you come to know when the air fryer is paused. Apart from the preset settings, you can manually change the temperature. Press the temperature button and turn the knob to select the desired temperature. The temperature on this air fryer ranges from 50 degrees Celsius to 220 degrees Celsius. Same way, press the time button and you can adjust the time manually as per the recipe you are making. You can also change the top and bottom heating element setting as per your recipe. This air fryer comes with an illuminated chamber which makes it easy to keep a watch on the food. You also get a rotisserie option on the screen. This air fryer is equipped with multi-position door with cool to touch handle. Now let's take a look at the accessories that come with this air fryer. It comes with a rotisserie rod that can be used to make veg and non-veg tikka and many other similar preparations. The air frying cage needs to be mounted on the same rotisserie rod. It comes with this opening from where you can put your food inside. It's great for air frying peanuts, makhana, popcorn and many other similar preparations. The grill rack can be used for grilling vegetables and meat. It also comes with a baking pan which you can use for your cookies, to make cakes and many other similar food items, and you need to place it on the grill rack that comes with this air fryer. This mesh tray is great for air frying or baking the food items that you need to spread evenly. This is the set of skewers, 2 discs and the rotisserie rod here. You need to assemble these and your set of skewers would be ready. These skewers can be used to make veg and non-vegetarian tikka. You can make a lot of tikkas in one go. This handle tool can be used to place the rotisserie rod, air frying cage and skewers in the air fryer. You also get a pair of oven mitts. There are air vents on both the sides of air fryer, so please ensure that you keep some gap on both the sides. Also you get this small tool which you can place on the back of this air fryer. This thing ensures that your air fryer doesn't touch the wall it's kept in front of and keeps a good distance between the two. It's very easy to install. And it comes with a 16 ampere power plug. Let's make some roasted makhana. So here I've got 2 cups of makhana. Add 1 teaspoon ghee. Mix till well combined. Ghee goes great with makhana but you can use oil. Now add some salt to taste. Give it a good mix. Put all the makhana in the air frying cage. Close the lid and place the air frying rack in the air fryer. I'm using the popcorn preset menu to roast makhana at 220 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. If you're using 1 cup or less quantity, please ensure that you decrease the time. You may pause the air fryer in between to check the makhana so that you roast it as per your liking. The makhana is ready. Let me toss it immediately into another bowl. When we roast makhana in a kadhai or pan, we don't get even browning. We get charred spots or brown spots in one place and totally white makhana in one place. For seasoning, I'm adding some cheese powder, but here you can add masala as per your liking. You can add a mix of garam masala, some powdered sugar or any other seasoning that you like. Give it a good mix. You may add 1 to 2 teaspoons of melted ghee so that the seasoning sticks on the makhana. Makhana is great to snack on at any time of the day. Let's take a closer look. It has come out really well, very light and crunchy. Add some maida to a bowl, some cornstarch, salt to taste, red chili powder, some garam masala, curry leaves finely chopped, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and water to make a medium consistency batter. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil to the batter, this way the coating would come out really nice. Here I've got approximately 2 cups blanched cauliflower, so you need to boil the cauliflower florets for 2 to 3 minutes. Gently mix the cauliflower with the batter so that the cauliflower florets are coated with the batter really well. You don't need to marinate these vegetables, you can air fry these right away. I am placing these on my mesh tray. You may spray some oil on these. Now let's air fry these. I am selecting vegetables preset menu for these, but you can also try these at the French fries preset menu. Our gobi 65 pakoras are ready. Just wait for 2 to 3 minutes before taking them off the tray. Serve these right away with some chutney or your choice of dip. To make melt-in-mouth paneer kebab, take 100 gram grated paneer. Add 1.5 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 small to medium sized chopped onion, ginger garlic paste and chopped almonds, some turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala, green cardamom powder, coriander, and some salt to taste. Mix till well combined. You don't need to add a lot of cornstarch here because we are not going to deep fry these. A little does the job and it tastes amazing. You can give these any shape that you want. I am giving it this shape like a raindrop. Grease the baking tray with some oil and place the kebabs. For these kebabs or cutlets, I am selecting the cutlets preset menu. Press the knob to start the air fryer. Keep a watch on your kebab because depending on the size of your kebabs, they might take some less time or more time. The paneer kebabs are done and they look fantastic. Nice browning on the edges as well as at the base, slightly crisp and very nice and soft inside. You can serve these just like that or with some mayo, ketchup or a dip of your choice. Now you can make a variety of healthy and tasty food with the Agaro Royal Air Fryer.